John of the Real Estate Pros of Florida, and this is segment number 2 in the series of why sellers should consider working with real estate investors in this foreclosure environment. In this segment, I want to discuss why it's important to work with an experienced team. At the Real Estate Pros of Florida, we have a team that is built to make transactions happen. We know that when sellers face foreclosure or other need to sell situations, that it's important for them to sell and not necessarily what they sell for or who they sell to. They need to get the property gone, and that's what we do best. How do we do that? We have a tremendous team. We have a team of realtors, experienced with many transactions in the past, attorneys specific to real estate who know the law inside and out, accountants who can give us advice on whether or not there will be any tax liability related to a particular sale or transaction. We use the best title agents in the area, title agents who know how to deal with difficult transactions, ones that are complicated and require special expertise in order to get them closed. We also have loan modification specialists, people who know how to work with the sellers if they have particular reasons or particular issues that may be worked out with a loan modification. And finally, we have mortgage brokers. If we need to sell to a third party, we have people who can get the financing and who can get these transactions closed. All in all, we have an experienced team, a team of professionals who can help you, when you're facing a distressed situation, get that property gone. This is Dr. John with the Real Estate Pros of Florida, and I'll catch you in segment number 3.